Hello rainbows, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll show you how to crochet flower granny square. This video is first of 4 video of rainbow set. I love them so much. This is a nice variation of a regular granny square that starts with a flower in middle and continues like granny square from round 3 and on. Let's get started. Start by chaining 5 and then join with the slip stitch to the first chain. Also, you can start with magic ring if you want to. If you don't know how to make a magic ring, you can find the tutorial of it in my beginners stitches playlist in my channel. Okay, after that you join with the slip stitch to the first, make in 3 as a 1 double crochet, then make 11 double crochet into the magic ring. For the double crochet, wrap yarn around your hook, insert your hook inside the circle and bring the yarn out, then pull through 2 loops and pull through 2 loops. Don't forget that you must bring your tail of the yarns inside your stitches that you are making. Bring it with your stitches until the end of the row. I'll tell you why we doing this. In the end of the row, this tail of the yarn work as a magic ring tail of the yarn. Okay, after that we make 11 double crochets in the end. After that we done and cut the yarn and fasten off our tail of the yarn by the needle. Let me do this first. Insert our needle under the second stitch. Again, insert our needle inside the first stitch here. Look here, and bring it out. Our round one is done. Then hide the tail of the yarn between the stitches. After that, we hide the tail of the yarn. Now we can close the hole in the middle by pulling the tail of the yarns here. Look, it's just like a magic ring, but the difference is this is too good and the better than magic ring. After that, hide this tail of the yarn and cut the tail of the yarns. Here is our first row. Start in any space between 2 double crochets, not in stitches, the space between 2 double crochets. Okay, joining your next color, I use the white color. Make a slip knot on the hook and then make 3 chains, and we must make clusters here by the treble crochet. Look, don't complete your treble crochet. Keep the last loops of the treble crochets. After the third treble crochet, we have 3 loops on the hook. Bring the yarn out from 3 loops and then make 2 chains. Go to the next space between 2 double crochet and make 3 treble crochet into there. Actually, we make clusters of 3 treble crochet in there. Pull through 3 loops on the hook and then make 2 chains, 1 chain for a treble crochets and 1 chain as a 1 chain space. Make clusters of 3 treble crochet into the each spaces between the 2 double crochet until the end of the row. I'll show you one more time. Here, 1 treble crochet, don't complete it, 2 and 3, pull through 4 loops on the hook, make 2 chains, here look, Do it until the end of the row. In the end, after that, you make 2 chains. Count your clusters. You must have 12 clusters of treble crochet. Join with the slip stitch to the first clusters of 3 double crochet and fasten off and hide the tail of the yarn by the needle. Insert your needle under the chain 2 and insert your needle inside the stitch first, and then hide the tail of the yarn between the stitches and cut it. And this is our flower, the middle of the granny square. Now all we have to do is the making it as a square. Make a slip knot on the hook and start from any chain 1 space you like, and then make 6 chain as a 1 treble crochet and 2 chains. Then make 3 treble crochet into this same space. This is our first corner. Okay, if you don't know how to make treble crochet, pull 2 loops around your hook, insert your hook inside the stitch and pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops and pull through 2 loops. Then make 1 chain, go to the next chain 1 space and make 3 double crochet in there. Make 1 chain, again into the next chain 1 space, make 3 double crochet and 1 chain, 2 and 3, 1 chain. Into the next space, make 3 treble crochet. We are making our second corner of a square, 2 and 3. Also, you can make 3 double crochet, 3 chains and 3 double crochet if you want. And third treble crochet, then make 1 chain and go to the next chain 1 space and make 3 double crochet and 1 chain. The reason that I make treble crochet into the corners, that's why the corners are straight than the 3 double crochet in there. Okay, and if you want, you can make 3 double crochet into the corners, 3 chains and 3 double crochet. It's done, doesn't matter. Okay, the third corner, 3 treble crochet, 3 chains, sorry, and 3 treble crochet in there. Then in the each corners we must make 3 treble crochet, 3 chains, 3 treble crochet, 1 chain, and in the chain 1 space, in the next 2 chain 1 spaces, make 3 double crochet and 1 chains. These 3 double crochets and 1 chains make the side of our square. And the last corner, 1, 2 and 3, 3 chains and 3 treble crochet. Chain 1 and into the next 2 chain 1 spaces, make 3 double crochet and 1 chain. In the end, in the first corner space, make 2 treble crochet and join with the slip stitch to the 4th chain in the first here, and then cut the tail of the yarn and fasten off. As you can see, our little square is ready. After that, you fasten off, hide the tail of the yarn between the stitches and cut it. Here is it. For the next row, joining your next color to the corner space, each corner space you like, and make 6 chains and 1 treble crochet and 2 chains. Then make 3 treble crochet into the same space. 1, 2, and 3. Then make 1 chain, and into the next chain 1 space make 3 double crochet and 1 chain. If you want, you can go to the chain 1 space without any chain 1, okay? Into the each chain 1 space make 3 double crochet and chain 1. Into the corner space make 3 treble crochet, 2 chains and 3 treble crochet. If you want your granny with a few gaps, you don't have to make chain ones between the 3 double crochets. You can make 3 double crochets into the each chain 1 space, or in the each spaces between the clusters of 3 double crochet without any chain 1, and in the corner spaces you can make 3 double crochet, 1 chain and 3 double crochet, okay? It will be a granny with a few gaps, okay? If you want to know how to make it, you can find the granny of this tutorial in my playlist that named the basic granny square in my channel, okay? I taught you the 4th kind of the granny square in my channel. If you look at my channel, you can find them. Then in the each space between the clusters of 3 double crochet make 3 double crochet, 1 chain, and in the corner space make 3 treble crochet, 2 chains and 3 treble crochet into the end. After that, you make 2 treble crochet into the corner space, join with the slip stitch to the 4th chain and cut the yarn and fasten off. Insert your needle under the 3rd stitch, insert it again inside the 1st stitch, and then hide it between the stitches, and after that cut them. Okay. Here is our square. If you want, you can make this square as big as you want, and if you want, you can make it as many squares, and then join them together and make your blankets or cushions like this. And for the back of the cushion, you can use the any granny squares you like, and you can use any pattern of the square that I taught you in my channel. And if you want, you can just keep going along by this diagram and make it as big as you want, and make a cushion of it. And for the back of the cushion also you can find any other granny, or keep go along and then join each side of our squares together and make a cushion of it. Okay, and also you can use this square for the edge of your two sides of the blanket that it was in my picture from the first video. I hope you enjoyed of this video. This was the first video of the fourth. If you like it, don't forget that you like and share this video to your friends. And if you have any question, please let me know in the comment below. If you are new in my channel, I will be happy that you subscribe my channel, and please hit the notification bell that you never miss a crochet tutorial from me. I'll hope you all have a great day. I'll see you next time. Happy crocheting. Goodbye.